Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can change password login screen on Windows or computer. If you see it helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. From start menu, click settings. Here we have accounts, sign in option, password, change. Now we have to insert current password. Just next, new password. Again, new password. Password hint. For example, I add. Good. Just next. Finish changing your password. That's all. Have a nice day.